Are you tired of seeing spam emails cluttering up your label list on Gmail? Well, I'm here to show you how to hide those pesky spam emails in just a few simple steps. First, open up gmail.com on your PC. Once you're logged in, look towards the top bar and click on the gear icon. From there, select Open All Settings to access your Gmail settings. Next, navigate to the Labels section within your settings. Here, you'll find a list of all the labels associated with your Gmail account. Locate the label labeled Spam and click on it to reveal the options available for that label. Now simply click on the option to hide the spam label. By doing this, you'll no longer see those unwanted spam emails cluttering up your label list. It's as easy as that. By following these quick and easy steps, you can declutter your label list on Gmail and keep those spam emails out of sight. Say goodbye to a cluttered inbox and hello to a more organized email experience. Thanks for watching.